Just wanted to do a quick video on Amazon Basics travel bags. I bought these for, I think it was $17.99 for 4 of them. And they're not bad quality. See-through mesh. I have my GoPro accessories in this bag. It's a little handle. You hold them up. And there's 4 of them. Let's see if I could spread them all out here. Of different sizes. These are all of them. Sort of a large, these are kind of the same size, just different shapes. Medium. And I would consider those 2 in the middle small. And I like them. The quality's not too bad. As you can see. It says Amazon Basics. Zipper. So let me get one of the small ones so you can get a better view. So it completely opens up. All of them open like this. And it's great for travel. I use it, like I said, for my GoPro stuff. I got all my GoPro stuff in it. Holds everything out. There's a handle so I can hold it. And I'm just doing a video because I like them. I thought you'd like to get a better view than seeing the pictures on Amazon. As to how big they are. This is the big one. It's got a mesh, a see-through mesh. So you can see everything you pack. And it's nice for organization. And for the price, it's not bad. Like I said, it's not really bad material. It seems good quality. It doesn't seem like it's gonna rip or anything. I just thought I'd do a video. So let you know that I like them. And that maybe you'll get, you can get a better view with this video than the pictures they show on Amazon. And a better idea on how they are. The Amazon Basics travel bag, a 4-pack. Okay, thank you.